In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add pictures to TikTok comments. Now open the TikTok application and open the comment section. You can't post a normal comment with a photo or a video. You can reply to someone else's comments with a photo or a video. Click on reply and click on the video icon. Choose the video or photo from your gallery or from your uploads, or you can also make a photo or a video. Now click on the tick icon, click on the next button, and now click on the post to post a reply publicly. As you can see, our video has been posted publicly, and now open the view comment section and you can see our photo has been added in the reply section, and in this way you can add a photo or a video in the comment section of TikTok.